Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to a bank account from the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, log in using your credentials or your biometrics. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to send money to a bank account, tap on the Send Money option. You can now enter the amount that you wish to send. And once you see how much the recipient will get, tap on the Continue button. You will now be asked to enter the Wise tag, email address or phone number of the friend that you are sending this amount to. You can tap on the Add button at the top right corner or use the search box. Once you tap on Add, you will be able to find the Enter Bank Details option. Go ahead and tap on this and now choose whether you are sending to yourself, to someone else, or a business or charity. After choosing the recipient type, choose the Bank Details option. You can then enter the full name of the account holder to whom you wish to send your fund. Now underneath, you can type in the SWIFT or the BIC code based on the bank detail that you selected. Finally, enter the bank account number within the account number section. And after entering all of these credentials, tap on the Confirm button and you will be able to choose your payment method through which you want to send this amount. After choosing your payment method and proceeding forward with your verification and PIN, your amount will be sent to this bank account right away. And you will find the detail of this transaction within the Transactions page within your homepage or the Payments option at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send money to a bank account from Wise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.